Kendrick, give me the domain.
Negative infinity to negative 3.
Yep.
Then negative 3 to 1.
Excellent.
Then 1 to infinity.
Excellent. Good job. Questions? Okay, Rebecca, what about the range?
Negative infinity to 1/2. 1/2 to 1. And then 1 to infinity.
Yep. Good job. Questions, comments, concerns? All right. Now, the reason why we are having so many of these, because, just trying to drill something home, which hopefully it will. So, we have 2 more of these. This next one, again, we'll do together. The last one, if you feel comfortable, I'll have you do it on your own, and then we'll talk about it. So, one thing that, I think we'll be okay. So, as x approaches negative infinity for this one, so as I go to the left, what am I approaching on y, or h of x? 0. Excellent. Yeah, you can't see that asymptote drawn there because it's on the x-axis, but it's there. And you can tell by looking at the picture that that's when it's getting closer and closer to. We do have a hole in this graph. I forgot to mention it. It is at -2, 1. Okay, so as x approaches infinity, what is h of x approaching, Donna? Or y? What is y getting closer and closer to? So as I go this way. Yes. Excellent. The next one, as x approaches -2, so I'm talking about the hole in the graph there, because here's negative, because here's -2. What is it approaching for the y, Justin?
1.
Yep. And as x approaches -2 from the right, what is it approaching for the y, Jenna?
1.
Yep. Then, for the vertical asymptote, as x approaches -3 from the left, Zella, what's h of x approaching?
Infinity.
Close.
Negative infinity.
Yeah, it's negative infinity because of the left, so that means I go to the left of -3. Notice it's pointing down on the left of it, so that's why it's negative infinity. What's the next one going to be, you think, Jose?
Infinity.
Yes, because it's going up. Go ahead and fill out the domain and range. That asymptote is a little bit darker. Danielle, what's the domain? Oh. Yeah, oh, sorry. I was looking at oh, I'm on the wrong page. So that's not what I had in my notes. But yes, that is absolutely right. Good job. All right. Joey, what's the next one?
Negative infinity to 0, and then 0 to 1, and then 1 to infinity.
Okay, so you try the last one. Fill in all those blanks, including the domain and range. Let me know if you're having trouble so I can combine help. All right. The first one. Let's see. Okay, so the first one is x approaches negative infinity. What's the graph doing? Donna. Approaching negative infinity, so I'm going this way.
Did it have a...
So it's flattening out. What number is it flattening out to?
Is it 2 dotted?
Yes.
I couldn't
No, that's okay.
tell. 2.
Yes, absolutely right. Good job. So for the next one, as x approaches infinity, the graph of p of x is approaching what, Danielle? Yep, 2 again. Because it's going this way. As x approaches negative 2 from the left, so we're talking about the hole there, p of x is approaching what, Hazella? It is negative 1. I didn't write negative, did I? Oops. And the next one, Tyler,
-1.
is -1 again as I approach it from the other side. Kendrick,